Mangalore Refinery and Petrochemicals Limited, MRPL, a subsidiary of ONGC, is Category 1, Schedule A Mini Ratna Central Public Sector Enterprise under the Ministry of Petroleum and Natural Gas. Situated in the pristine coastal Karnataka region, it is truly a gift of MOPNG, the Government of India, to the region, meeting the comprehensive energy needs of the state of Karnataka and the adjoining states. This complex refinery has 15 million metric ton per annum of crude oil processing capability, which amounts to 10% of the total crude oil processed by all the PSU refineries under the MOPNG. MRPL has earned a forex inflow of rupees 82,776 crores in the past 5 years, and its aromatic complex has been the #1 foreign exchange earner in the country. MRPL has generated a revenue of rupees 1,09,166 crore for the state and the central exchequer in the past 7 years. Today, on 2nd of September 2022, Honorable Prime Minister of India will be dedicating the BS6 upgradation project and the desalination plant of ONGC MRPL to the nation. 1. BS6 upgradation project executed with a capitalized cost of rupees 1,829 crores. This project comprises of FCCU Gasoline Treating Unit (FGTU), Sulfur Recovery Unit, Nitrogen Plant, Storage Tanks and associated systems. With its successful execution, apart from generating significant employment, this project supplies ultra-pure BS6 fuels to meet our nation's visionary environmental commitments and brighten up tomorrow for our future generations. 2. Desalination Plant. The 30 million liters per day desalination plant, which converts seawater into water required for the refinery process, is executed at a capitalized cost of rupees 677 crores. This plant reduces considerably the reliance on fresh water and ensures a regular supply of precious hydrocarbons and petrochemicals during all seasons, contributing effectively to the Atmanirbhar Bharat Abhiyan of the Honorable Prime Minister.